Hi guys, this is Christina, your friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And right now, I'm gonna feature you how the United States do their trick-or-treating despite of the pandemic. Guys, I'm already here in the village or in the other neighborhood, and I don't see any people. I don't see any kids. So I think that's a good thought, right? That they had a table outside, but I haven't seen any kids running around finding some candies. It's so cold. Wonder if I shall try going out there, but so see the house over here. Last year we went for trick-or-treating with the girls' friends, and now that there's a virus, we're stuck at home. So kwentuhan po tayo mga friends. How's your Saturday or Sunday? Ay, nakakapagod mag-drive ng bike. I'm gonna turn left, I think. See, there's really quiet. It's really quiet in this place. Kapanibago. So let's see if we can find our home over there. It's just so nice, driving bicycle or riding in a bicycle. Oh, but guys, before I forgot, for people in the US, don't forget to set up your clock manually. If you're using analog clock, set your time for an hour late. Is it right? No, an hour plus, because tomorrow it's gonna be the end of daylight savings time. So what does that mean? So I think, let's see how I remember these things. Hindi na makasalita si Kuya. Hi. Nakita ko ni Kuya. He said hi or hello. I said hi back. Ay, oh my god. Look at here in this area, kids and parents are having a great time. Like nobody's business. Like they don't care. What's going on there? Oh, look at that. What is that? They're having a great time, like nobody's business. Look at this place. It's so beautiful. So sweet yung mga couple here. They're so sweet to each other. God bless them. If they stay for 15 years or so, God bless them. Okay, let's go home. I think we're done. Look at this family. It's so cool. They're having a great time here. Very close. Oh, it's so cute. So it's getting darker, guys. I have to go home. I hope you guys have a great day, a great night, a great weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi! Doing good? Sure, I will. They can see.
Okay, good.
Ah,
Happy Halloween.
happy Halloween. Hi kids, happy Halloween.
Come on,
Come on.
The bike's blocking.
Grab some.
You guys want to take a piece of candy?
What are the magic words? Trick or treat?
Trick or treat. You can have
one.
you can have one. Pick one, whichever one you
Oh,
want.
here comes the van. These are friends with 5 kids.
Oh, so sweet. They gave me 2 chocolates for Hannah and Franchi. Oh. Okay guys, I'm going home. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great time. Bye. Okay guys, I'm walking because I'm now in the super highway. It's a major highway. So let's take for precaution. And I had a great time walking in that village. And it's already 6:30ish here. And yeah, I had a great time riding in my bicycle. Ay, so tiring. You know, my nose so cold since it's really cold here. Imagine the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. Oh man, it's really cold. I should brought my gloves. Funny is, those couple, they thought I'm a kid. That's why they invited me to grab candies. I said that, oh, I have 2 kids and they're 12 and 14. And they said, oh, I thought you're a kid, but feel free to get some for them. They're so nice. See, that's the highway near our street. So I'm gonna go home and we're gonna have dinner. So tonight's dinner is pinakbet and breaded catfish. See that? Alright guys, bye. Love you all.